expecting you. Come on in. So we're back in Deep Creek Lake in Oakland, Maryland, and we are staying at a house over New Year's weekend called Barefoot. And as always, we rented it through Rayleigh Vacations. So we're gonna take you on a little tour. This is our huge kitchen that we have. We have a dishwasher, we have stove and all the stuff like coffee maker, the Keurig. We actually have a wine fridge. How exciting is this? This is definitely like one of the best features in the house.
And it was full.
It was totally full. And then as you can see, we have this great open living space and this huge table, which then takes us over to the little nook by the window that is being utilized by our statue, John. And then we have this center fireplace that's in the center of everything. It's so nice and warm, and even though it's a balmy 62 degrees outside, the effect is nice. And then we come into this open sitting area, which also has the ambiance from the fireplace. And this doesn't really have a TV, but you can just kind of chill out, lounge, and play video games.
It also comes with a jack.
Hello.
So now, I'm gonna take you to the master bedroom. Welcome to the master. Nice big plush king size bed. Window, another fireplace, which when you turn it on, it's extremely hot in here, so use sparingly. And then we have the master bathroom. So we have a nice shower, one sink, there's a linen closet over here. It's not really much to write home about, but gets the job done. Oh wait, I forgot about these bedrooms. There's more bedrooms. There's a bunch of bedrooms in here. So this one is right off the kitchen area, and I think it's a queen size bed. It's cute, it's got a closet, nice little area for guests. And then right next door is a very spacious bathroom. So we've got a shower, one sink. Like, I feel like this should be a master bathroom, but it's not. So now we're gonna head upstairs. And welcome to the game room. This area is kind of like the central hub of the house where you're going to want to spend most of your time. It's very cute. We've got a sitting area here. We've got a very cool shuffleboard table that we have used quite a bit while we were here. We have a television. We've got another little sitting area, and we have Pac-Man, which I may or may not have lost terribly a few times. We've got another little reading nook, and I don't know what this is for sure, but I think it might be like beer pong, but for shots, so it's like shot pong.
Yeah. If anybody knows what this is, maybe leave a comment. Yeah. Because we have no idea.
No, but it's fun. Can't win, I can't do this. I'm about as good at this as I am at actual beer pong. And right off the game room on the second floor, we have upstairs laundry area. This is huge in here. I would love to have this in my house. And then we've got a couple of bedrooms back here. So one of the bedrooms up here off the second floor has two sets of bunk beds. It's very dark in here. You can't see none of the switches work, and the light doesn't work.
So we can't figure out how to turn the lights on in here.
No, definitely not.
Oh yeah.
But we've got two double beds down below and two twin beds up top. So this was Jack's choice of room, as you can imagine. And then the last bedroom is also, it's very spacious in here.
Yeah, it's like a second master.
Yeah, but there's no bathroom off of it. The bathroom is over there, and it's currently being utilized. So we're not gonna go in there. What does that say, that sign? Oh my gosh. I read that, I thought it said go dump in the lake. All right, we're gonna head out of there. So now that we've gotten the interior tour, we are going to take the exterior tour. Interior done, now we're going out to the most important part, and probably where we spent most of our time. Let's go on outside. Out here on this deck, we have this huge, luxurious hot tub that we have locked up. I will mention that we're doing this tour literally as we're on our way out the door. We've actually been here for like 3 days, so we locked the hot tub up. But it was really, it's huge and it's awesome. Definitely recommend it. When you come from the deck, you start coming this way. And it's a little wraparound porch. And it brings us out front to where we started. All right, guys, I know this was a super, super quick house tour, but we just really wanted to showcase, you know, the types of homes that Raleigh Vacations have to offer out here in Deep Creek Lake.
Yeah, and this was a relaxing trip. So we didn't do a lot of vlogging, didn't do a lot of social media. Just really relaxed and, you know, reflected on the year, kind of unwind a little bit. And but yeah, so we're gonna leave links in the description to the house, to Raleigh Vacations, who we always use to book with out here in Deep Creek Lake. They've always been super great. And yeah, I'd recommend any of their properties. We've, you know, rented anything from like little one-person cabins to these bigger houses,
big homes,
which you can catch in some of our other videos. So we will also link those below. If you're interested, comment. We'll get you hooked up with them.
Yeah, definitely. So thanks for coming along on this tour with us. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel.
Thumbs up.
And we're looking forward to making more content for you guys in the coming year. So happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thanks for following along. We'll catch you next time.